and welcome! So today we're actually going to bake some cookies and I'm super excited about that because if there is one thing I love, it's cookies. And what you can hear in the background are Maggie and Sammy. They really want to join but they can't because they'll just mess everything up, but they're right here in the background. For the cookies I've actually bought one of these. This will hopefully, if it works out, I've never done this before, this will make the cookies look like tiny snakes. But let's get this going, let's bake some snake cookies! Alright guys, I think those cookies turned out pretty well, and I'm pretty sure that little Oreo thinks that as well. He has been the perfect model for these cookies. Anyway guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this little cooking session in the kitchen. Not something that I usually do, but I thought it would be kind of funny to do something a little bit different. Do you have any favorite cookies? Let me know right down in the comments, and why, of course. And until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you and Merry Christmas!